Well, hello, you trader nerds. Welcome into a wild Monday where the market is down again. We've been having a lot of down days, haven't we? Down 0.32%. And I like it because the 1-1X strategy that we trade does extraordinarily well in a grind down market. Are we grinding down? I'm not sure. We had a big up day on Friday, but it was down most of the day. Then all of a sudden, last 30 minutes, boom, we really kicked in the butt there and got up some. So VIX is at 13.64, AD at negative 211. So don't know what the volume is, but it sure does look timid, doesn't it? Doesn't look like a lot of volume going on. And as we start summer, maybe it's one of those things where it's just a kind of a quiet summer day and not a lot of people trading, a lot of people swimming and going on vacations and things of that nature. So that's fun too. I've actually got a vacation coming up later this month. Be excited to go off on June 29th to my favorite place, Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Cannot wait to be there. So let's look at the big green monster, see if we can get any indication of where the market's going. Well, look at that, y'all. We are right on the 50% line. So it could go up or it could go down. We are right where we need to be. We are fairly priced. I mean, in the middle of fair price is where we're at. Let's look at the linear regression, see if we get some indication on where the market's going. So, here's the thing. We did break it, but it looks like we're still in that consolidation period. So we didn't have two candles going outside of the consolidation period. So we're still in consolidation. Still haven't figured out whether the move's going to be to the downside or the upside. So we'll keep watching that. And we should get a run here probably in a day or two, starting somewhere. All right, so let's see how our little account's doing. Now we can now start trading the money that we put in. Remember, we put $72,000 into this account, and I told you that we wouldn't start doing and we didn't trade this account last week because we had the holiday. So now we can put this capital to work. And if I go to the custom sizing, I'm gonna have to turn that bell off. Uh, if I go to the custom sizing, it now says that we could do six a week. How about that? We could do six MES positions per week. So that's kind of cool. So we may trade this twice a week. Well, why don't we do three today? You want to? So let's see how we're doing on our little count here. Let's see here. We haven't traded in a while. You would think that we've got some theta decay. Let's see, 6, 3, 24. And this little old account, Big Green Monster equals volume profile for the month. Oh, wait a minute. You're right. Listen, y'all are right. Look, I need to redraw the Big Green Monster. Forgot about that. So let's redraw it. Let's go to the clean chart. Let's take this off. Thank y'all for reminding me that. Hey, where's my here our things are. All right, so what we got to do is now draw it. All right, so we'll go here and we'll get our extensions, or I mean our retracements, and we'll use May. Look at this big area in May that we had here. So here we go. All right, now let's anchor it. Yeah, I'll share it with y'all. So let's go. Let's see. Edit properties. I'll do this very quick. And for those of you watching for the first time, just trust me. 53, 58, 25, 53, 58, 25. And the low was 50, 36, 25. 50, 36, 25. This will not make a lot of sense to all of you, and you'll probably go, oh, I'm never going to watch this video, but this is the greatest technical indicator that we have. So let's see how we do this now. Now we're going to draw the extension from the 50. We'll draw from here. I said we'll draw from here. Where's my extension? We'll draw from here up to the middle of this, up to the zero line. I'll lay that right on it. There we go. God, thing's driving me crazy. I don't know how to cut it off either. All right. So now we're going to move the zero line. Let me activate this. We'll move the zero up. Oh, no, no, no. Oh, no. What have I done? What have I done? Let me go back to volume profile. Let me go back to plain chart. There we go. All right. Then we're going to take the 0 up to the 200 line. So we'll take this 0 right here, activate 0 to the 200. And then we're going to take the 100. We're going to drag it down here to the start of this little thing. About right there. Close enough for jazz. Let's get rid of this chart. Let's go over here. Edit. We're going to call this May for June. And we're going to set all the colors green. Here we go. And let's go to volume profile now. Uh-oh, things have changed, haven't they? Okay. Now that's different because May for June, now we are a little bit oversold. How about that? A little bit oversold. And it looks like it would want to pop back into this area here. Okay, so that's interesting. Very good. A little cool stuff there. So we're oversold. So we'll see if that plays out and the market bounces it a little bit. And I will share this for y'all. Share grid. So y'all all got it, and I'll put it in the chat. So everybody's got the big green monster. There you go. All right. Now let's see what our little net lick is for the month. So now we are at, okay, let's see here. Tasty trade. We are at 80. Well, we didn't get a lot of theta decay. 80, well, we didn't get any theta decay. Let's see, it was 83.67, 83.27.49. Looks like we lost money. Oh no, that's not
Did
good.
Bill pay today?
Ah, that's it. Thank you, Hal. Bill pays today. That's why we're down. That's exactly it. Okay, so that makes sense. So let's see here. 6/3/24. Let's look at our, take that dashboard down. And let's go see, this account is the, let's see, which one is this? Crimson Orchard right here. Make sure that's the only one we got marked. Good. So we're at 1714. 1714. And we said the VIX is in the 13.86 handle. And our buying power is 2,400. Because we don't have any bill in this one. We need to get some bill in this one too, I guess. Okay, remember our position size and said we need to put 6 of these things on today. So let's put 3 of them on today. Okay. So let's go to ES or MES. And we'll trade. And we'll do 120 days. So we got 109 or 137. So I guess we'll do 109. And we'll go down to the 10 delta, which should be right in here somewhere if those things will fill in. Let's go right here, 48.50s. And let's do 3 of them. And let's try to get a little bit more money on them. Here we go. So we did the 48.50 109s. 48.50 109. Put naked 109. 5 20, no 6. We're in June now. 6/3/24. Let's put all this in here. MES, we had 3 of those. So we'll call this NP9. What did we fill that for? 33? Let's double check that. I think it was 33. Bill for 33. Good. So now let's go and trade 109. We'll go to about a 25 delta. It doesn't even show it, does it? Let's just do it around in here, see what we do. Let's see, 5,200, 5,150. That's 275. God, I'm gonna have to turn that thing off. That's driving me nuts. So 925 there. So we need three of those as well, don't we? Two, three. So here we go. All right. God, that's driving me nuts. 930. Uh-oh, it's gonna be one of them days I'm gonna have to log out, log back in. Let's go one more time. Yeah, Tasty's a little bit funky, y'all. Yep, let's do it. Let's go out. Sign out. Sign back in. See if it'll work better this time. Got a little bit kinky. Come on, little feller. All right, we should have a working order, right? Let's see, activity. We got a working order. Let's just cancel that order. Then let's go back to trade. And where were we? Not SPY, but MES. And then we go to 109. Good Lord, is that where I was at? God, I hope I hadn't. Look, this thing was not showing anything. Oh my
Oh, I
God.
don't think your Crumpton is highlighted.
Oh, that's why. Thanks a lot, Hal. Good. Make sure that's the only thing we got there. Yeah, okay, here we go. So we said about a 5150, 5100. Let's see if that'll work. Get three of those. There we go. Now we got it. So 5150s, 5150s, and we got filled for 955. 5150s. 955. All right, so this is MES, three of those. PDS, nine. Puts, debit spread, 109. Control my colon. There we go. So we brought in 490, spent out 152. Hey, what's that dog it's chewing on? Well, check. It may be something good. So naked put and PDS 9. Let's go to positions. Here we go. Oh. Naked put 9. Oh. And then these are PDS 9. Oh. Now, all right. Wait a minute. What do you mean it didn't share? In the toss thing didn't share? All right, I'll let everybody else go and then we'll share that again. All right, guys, y'all have a good rest of your day. I will see y'all tomorrow.